Thank you for your interest in the project. Welcome to this short demonstration of the RTDIP data quality checker that we developed as part of the AMOS project at FAU and TU Berlin, together with our industry partner Shell. For those who don't know, RTDIP stands for Real-Time Data Ingestion Platform, and it's an open source initiative by Shell to develop robust tools for data science that are very efficient and can run on large and real-time data sets, and they can perform transformations such as missing data detection and imputation, outlier detection, duplicate detection, and also machine learning features like time series prediction. So in general, they provide a large variety of reusable open source components for building data science pipelines, and they approached us as the AMOS team and asked us to develop new components for that project. Now I have the pleasure to present our work to you, and for that I will give the word to Tim, who will.
On the screen, you can see a Python notebook, which is being used by data engineers to analyze big data applications. Here you can see two plots which show our data we are going to work with. The upper one shows the whole data, and the lower plot shows the subset we are going to work with. We are going to show two components of our pipeline. The first one is the normalization component. This component is being used to pre-process the data. This is done, for example, for artificial intelligence applications. To use this component, we have to instantiate it in a single line of code. So we use the normalization z-score method. We give in our input data frame and the column we want to modify and any further parameters. And then we call the filter function on that. If we plot the resulting data, then we can see on the left side of the plot the old value range, which is 14 to 24. And the red axis labels on the right show the new value range, which ranges from -6 to 6. As a second example on how easy it is to use our pipeline, we show the signal anomaly detection, which is being used to remove any outliers from the source data. The usage of is the same as for the normalization step. You have a line of code which creates the component, then you give in the data frame and the column name to modify, and any further parameters. And then you call the filter function on the component. And the resulting plot shows the input data as a blue line and the output data as the red line. As you can see, any outlier above the 2 value or under the -2 value is being removed from the data, and therefore the red line is smoother and better to work with.
Thank you, Tim, for the demonstration. We have a lot more components that you can have a look at. If you're interested, go to the professorship website, check out the project from this semester where you can find the RTDIP. There is extensive documentation on the topic, so if you're interested, go ahead and check that out. Thank you for your attention.